Number 2 is the official FLSUN V400 3D printer. In today's vibrant world of creativity, where imagination knows no bounds, the FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer reigns supreme as the number 2 contender for creating sensational prosthetics. This engineering marvel boasts a mind-boggling print speed of 400 mm per second and an astounding acceleration of 8,000 plus mm/s superscript 2. Equipped with klipper firmware and an ultralight short-range extruder design, the FLSUN V400 is a true force to be reckoned with. Its double-drive wire feeding structure, 5-to-1 reducer, and 36 high-temperature, high-precision stepping motors deliver an extrusion force of a whopping 70 N, ensuring precision and speed like never before. But that's not all. Say hello to the FLSUN Speeder Pad, a 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen ready to plug and play. No complicated configurations here, just pure printing bliss. And remember the unique robotic arm design, crafted with 3K grade material akin to high-end drones. With its self-developed leveling algorithm and bimetal 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, the FLSUN V400 takes care of those pesky first-layer issues while opening up a world of filament possibilities. This printer can handle it all, whether it's PLA, PLA+, wood, TPU, ABS, PETG, PC, or nylon. Remember to dry it first. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.